Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to She the People TV. I'm Dr. Tanushree Pandey, an obstetrician and gynecologist, also known as the Gynae Guru on Instagram. Do follow. And today we're here to talk about a fun topic, a taboo topic, a confusing topic, a question mark topic, and which is the G spot. Yes, I've said it. So many questions about the G spot. Does it really exist? If it exists, where is it? ये G spot होता कहाँ है? ये G spot होता क्या है? तो अगर आपने और आपके पार्टनर ने हमेशा वंडर किया है, why can't I find this G spot and how can I orgasm better if I find this G spot? So keep watching this video. So the G-spot, ये जो G-spot है ये बना ऐसे था that there was a very famous German gynecologist called Dr. Grafenberg and she mentioned something about the G-spot and wherein she said कि ये जो G-spot है इसको जब आप stimulate करते हैं ये आपकी anterior vaginal wall पे होता है. So your vagina, like you know, is the canal wherein the penis goes in during penetration and उसकी जो anterior wall होती है सामने वाली wall उसमें there's a spot which is known as the G spot and when that is aroused the woman climaxes or feels intense pleasure. So for years partners struggled. There were magazines, talks, articles, a lot of toys that came into the market which were supposedly G keys, the key to your G spot. And then of late research shows that there is nothing known as the G spot. So talking as a gynecologist, talking as a medical student, I know for a fact that ऐसा कोई tissue, एक ऐसा कोई particular point नहीं है जो G spot होता है. So if you haven't figured out where your G spot is, relax buddy, because probably there is no G spot. Having said that, there is always a point of pleasure which varies from girl to girl or a different vagina owner to a different vagina owner. So होता क्या है? The clitoris, that tiny little nub that you see close to your urethra, just above your urethra, you think it's pea-sized, but it's actually not pea-sized. It can be almost 4 inches long in some people. So होता क्या है? That little pea-sized thing आप ऊपर से देखते हो and अंदर it's like a root, a divided thing with 2 bulbs. And that lies somewhere around your anterior vaginal wall. And during penetration, when that is stimulated, or during fingering or during oral intercourse, oral sex, when that is stimulated, it leads to an orgasm or in pleasure. And that is known as the G spot in simple language. So there is probably nerve endings. There are nerve endings in the anterior vaginal wall. So जब penetration होता है और आपकी anterior vaginal wall stimulate होती है, so there are nerve endings there, which is a part of the clitoris only, and it is going to lead to pleasure. It may or may not lead to an orgasm. So there is no particular G spot, or a tissue, or an organ which is a G spot. ऐसे नहीं है. Yes, there are a lot of nerve endings, different pleasure spots. So somebody gets turned on with the ear being stimulated, somebody loves a kiss, somebody loves a hug, and just like that your anterior vaginal wall has different nerve endings, different spots, and you need to figure that out for yourself, whether it's through self-love, whether it's through your partner. So stop panicking. कोई खजाना नहीं है, कोई छुपा हुआ राज नहीं है. G-spot is no special mystery. It's just another part of the clitoris which is inside, which gets stimulated during penetration, any form of penetration. So next time you don't find the G-spot, relax. Just enjoy, buddy. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and don't forget to follow Gynae Guru and She the People TV.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.